Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a simple hydroponic system using all type of containers you can find in your house. For example, you can use jars like this, okay, this is a Nutella jar, or you can use buckets, or you can use any type of container that you have it in your house, okay, any type, doesn't matter. So what we gonna need? So here we have the jar and net pot. This one it's a 2-inch net pot or 5 centimeters net pot. But if you don't have this kind of net pot, there is no problem. You can use the medicine containers, or something like this. Or even you can cut a bottle and like I did here, and I have removed the sides and also I've cut the sides and I've removed the cap. Alright, now if you use this type of system, you have to cut the sides and also the bottom, okay? If you, let's say, if you do this permanently, so this pot will stay here, you can do this type of cutting, okay? Side cutting and bottom cutting. But if you do want to remove the pot from here and put it in let's say a bigger bucket for the plant to have more nutrients for a longer period, never cut the sides, because what will happen is the plant will grow side roots from from all the cuttings, and when you want to remove the pot, you're gonna damage all the roots, and this is a very bad thing for plants, okay? So keep that in mind. Now let's take our Nutella jar. We turn the pot upside down, we draw a circle around our net pot, like so. But when you cut, you don't want to cut on this line, and here is why. The net pot has a small gap here, you see. If you're gonna cut on this line when you want to put the net pot will fall down, okay? So you will have to take, let's say, about 1 or maybe 2 millimeters, something like this, let's say, and you will want to cut. When you're gonna make the cut, you're gonna cut it with 1 or 2 millimeters less than the first line, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna cut it and I'll come back to you, okay? Okay, so I've cut it. As you can see, it's about 2 millimeters from the first line, okay? And fits perfect. Now what you want to do is to measure the water level, okay? To do that, you will need to put your net pot inside and add water. I am using the Kratky method, and his method says to fill your jar and your nutrient solution has to just touch the bottom of the net pot. Okay, so don't put it up, just barely touch the bottom of your net pot. Now I will mark the exact level okay, and next time, so what will happen is, okay, so you put your clay pebbles or coconut fibers or whatever you want to use to hold your seed, and after that your seed will grow, yeah, okay, will germinate, the plant will grow, and what will happen is slowly the plant will absorb all the nutrient solution. Okay, so our line is right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's here. And next time when you want to fill the nutrient solution, fill your jar with nutrient solution, don't put the same level. Okay, don't put water, nutrient solution at the same level as the previous, because what will happen is the plant will grow roots for water and roots for air. And if you put water on the same level as the previous, you're gonna drown the roots. Okay, so next time I know that I will need a small gap for next watering. Okay, so that's all. I hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time when I will show you how to create a cloning system for your plants. For example, I have basil here, and I want to clone it. Next time I'll show you how to clone your plants, and probably I will do it in the same system. Okay, see you later, guys.